Here's a project in Marked-Tree, Arkansas for the Corps of Engineers. Now, the Corps of Engineers can be a very difficult agency to work with if you're not familiar with their paperwork and systems that they've designed to track their projects. Our advanced training course has the templates and the support you could require in the event that you get one of these contracts. The project called for the replacement of cedar siding on a pump building. The work was in a remote part of the country where there was likely to be few CCR registered contractors for competition. The replacement windows were purchased locally from Stock Building Supply in Austin, Texas. The siding was purchased near the site from Barton's Building Supply. And the work was subcontracted to Curlow Company out of Memphis, Tennessee. The work was completed in under 2 weeks and had a profit margin of over 30%. Once you get your contract award, here's what will happen and what you'll need to get started. First, the government will establish a pre-construction conference. They will have a checklist that looks similar to this, and they will go over the particulars of the contract, the location, the required documentation, and other important information to know prior to starting work. Then, you'll typically need to prepare the following. Submittals. You're probably familiar with submittals already, but if you're not, they're information about the products and methods you intend to use on the project. The government requires approval of them prior to starting work. You'll need a schedule of values. This breaks down the contract into well-defined chunks. It allows you to allot the contract funds to different portions of the work and will help speed up the processing of your payment applications. Our advanced training will show you some ways to get the most money up front so you don't have to wait till the end of the job to make your profit. You'll need a project schedule. The government wants to make sure you're not falling behind. We typically give the government our worst case schedule and use the best case schedule internally. You'll need to declare your subcontractors. This lets the government know who's going to be on site and lets them know who to look for certified payrolls from. The government conducts on-site work interviews on occasion, and there can be serious trouble if undocumented subcontractors are on the job. You'll need to provide insurance for yourself and any subcontractors. You cannot work on government property or contracts without the necessary insurance. The requirements vary, but are listed in each individual solicitation. The government will want a copy directly from the insurance company and will request notification prior to policy cancellation. Before work, you'll have a varying number of plans to submit. These can include safety plans, quality control plans, accident prevention plans, environmental plans, and more. We have templates available for almost any requirement and can help tailor them to your specific job. You'll need to assign your representative and their responsibilities. The government will not interact with someone who is not authorized in writing to be representing the company. If you're a commercial contractor or subcontractor, it won't be a lot different than what you're doing already. Just do it local. The benefits of working with the local workforce are many, but they include familiarity with local personnel and availability of material, and a reduced maintenance cost should anything ever go wrong. When you're ready to add government contracts to your business, go to gcexperts.com and click on the Advanced Training to learn about our Federal Construction Contracts Business Acceleration Membership Program that includes a 3-day live training workshop and 3 months of support and bid tracker reports. There are a limited number of classes available, so sign up today. To learn more, visit gcexperts.com.